Hello everyone, this is a demo of my terrain classification application. This app uses scikit-learn and a decision tree classifier to classify terrain based off of these variables right here. So a user will go in and enter the current, vibration, the slip incline, and obstacle height. And from there, this calls the classifier and classifies the terrain. This is used to test out an idea I want to try to actually put this on a rover in the future. But for now, I'm just generating a data set, and then based off of these parameters, we're either safe, slippery, an obstacle, or in a trap, which is like mud. This was all done through scikit-learn in that decision tree classifier I was talking about. So I didn't actually go in and input any of these parameters. The model just learned based off of the generated data and then does pretty good about outputting. I've seen a few false positives, but overall it gets the right values. Where I plan on taking this from here, I want to try and get this on a microcontroller and forget about the front end side of things. If I do go any further with this, it would just be to make it look a little better because right now it's just vanilla HTML and there's no styling or anything. And if I could get this onto my model or onto my rover, I would be able to help the rover know when it's what it's driving on based off of its sensors, as opposed to having a camera. And that's something that I'm been trying to figure out for a little bit. So it'd be good to transfer this um, theoretically into something real world and see if it works as it does here. Thank you very much.